Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Well, each time every year we decide to throw up a video about all my stuff ups that I've done every week. As you know, on a Tuesday at 4 p.m, we drop a YouTube video and a heap of other stuff on socials, whether it be Instagram or Facebook. Guys, here's a snippet of the last 12 months of everything I've stuffed up. And as we go down the back of the vehicle, we've got the big awning on the side as well. And at the back, it's completely standard. More from your common sake. And it's no secret that your vehicle custom is to get you. There's no secret. Does it say no secret? Bit of detailing on the side. Right. This isn't real, is it? Tess, can you hold the phone? I'm trying to talk. I'm walking out of here at 4 o'clock because I'm meant to be at Micah's at now. Difference from the standard, all the extras that are on the vehicle. No, that doesn't sound right. The owner has brought the NP in behind it and he's just tasting. Sorry. Hey guys, before I go on and get this rig in, no, I don't say rig, I'm sick of rig. Did I say hi guys? No. Did I say that then? Yeah, you said it. Yeah. Got a copy on the right. Okay. That's noisy out there, isn't it? Being useful and the goals for the customer. So let's get this one. Oh, I said the customer a couple of times, didn't we? Taking into consideration what's been done to this vehicle. Sorry. In standard form, car chemical soot cleaning process. Check out the of your diesel vehicle. This is what we specialize in here. And we've got 200 series custom dyno tuned here by us. Yep. We also test, right? And in peak torque, 31% gut. No, sorry. No, it wasn't happy the way it went. RPMs is critical, and the peak is that peak zone for towing where you want to be. Exactly in that zone, delivering from the customer. Sorry, Dave. It's important that you keep the gear in fifth. Hey mate, how are you?